Hey everyone, Matt Meyer again, coming at you today with tip number 2 of my Tuesday tip series on how to leverage others for video marketing at your event. Last week, to review, we talked about leveraging your keynote speaker to put together a short promo video to help drive anticipation for the conference or event. Tip number 2, or group number 2, is one that I haven't seen a lot of clients do. I think it would make for a unique idea, so this is a tip that I think needs to be tested a little bit. But one thing you could do is leverage your own audience or group for the event. I think something that would be cool would be to, maybe get someone that's been coming to the event for 10, 15, 20 years at the company or conference, if it's been going on that long, to talk about, what they've enjoyed about the event, who they get to see, who they get to mingle with, what they're excited about this year. You could also have someone that is maybe coming to the event for the first time, talk about why they're excited to come. And I think why that would be important and valuable is we all know conferences aren't going away. We've actually seen a lot of growth in the number of conferences each year. And along with having an engaging keynote speaker and all the education that comes with it, people like to network with others in their industry. They like to mingle, they like to meet new people. So I think if you can plug in some of the people that are either going to be there or thinking about going and have their feedback, it might create some excitement and buzz in others on why they should come. That's tip number 2, or group number 2, on how to leverage others for marketing your event. Have a good day.